Hi, I am Dr. Arina Webster. I am the author of the book, The Secret Energy of Your Body. In this book, I describe the emotional patterns that create illnesses, symptoms, pains, and aches in the body. And behind every illness, there is a certain emotional patterns that you need to understand and release energetically from your body and organs to heal. So, what is the meaning, energetic, emotional meaning behind shoulders pain? First of all, shoulders symbolize burdens or weight you carry on your shoulders. Problems here mean you are burdened with too much strain, stress, and worry. You are the person who is carrying a world on your shoulders and feel rejected, discouraged, easily hurt, and frightened. So this emotional pattern you need to understand in yourself and release. So how to release the energy of these feelings and the pain from your shoulder energetically? Because you can release the pain, the energy of pain from your organs, and I show you how. First of all, you need to prepare your hands. Rub your hands together for 30 seconds or until they become warm. Now spread them apart, about 30 centimeters apart. Close your eyes and try to bring your hands together, but do it millimeter by millimeter until you feel this resistance or push-pull sensations. I also feel a lot of tingling and crawling sensations in my hands. So these tingling and crawling sensations means that I am sensing my own subtle energy that runs through my body. And this is also the criteria that my hands are ready to do energy work on myself or on other people. So since my hands are sensitive, I feel tingling and crawling sensations in my hands. I can now start sensing the energy from my shoulders or any other organs. So just assume that I have problems in my left shoulder. So I will need to find the aura that comes from my shoulder. So I bring my hand about 30, 40 centimeters from my shoulder, and I need to find the edge of the aura that comes from my shoulder. Every organ produces aura around them, and you feel it differently from every organ. From the shoulder, I feel the energy of a bone. Okay, so here is the end of the aura that comes from my shoulder. I really feel it, and I can feel the edge of the aura by doing pushing, pulling. You need to close your eyes when you do energy work. It helps you to tune into yourself better. So when I do pushing, pulling like that, I am pushing, pulling my aura, and I sense it with my body. I am not sensing it just with my hand, I am sensing it with my body. I am not touching myself, I am touching the aura, but I am sensing it in the body, in the shoulder. So here is the end of the aura. Now, to remove the energy from the shoulder, I can do it in two ways. First way, called sweeping. So I can do just sweep, 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 and I feel that like I'm removing the dust from my shoulder. Sweep and throw into the fire. I have a candle, burning candle in front of me. I always burn energy, because when you work with sick organs, you remove toxins. So you need to burn toxins. If you throw these toxins into the room, somebody else will pick it up, or maybe you can pick it up, the same toxins later on. So you need to throw it into the fire. So sweep, 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 and throw into the fire. And when I do this sweeping movements with my hand, I am sensing it with my shoulder. This kind of sensitivity you need to achieve to work with your organs. So you're not touching yourself, you're touching the aura, but you sense it with your body. Another way to remove energy from your shoulder, I call it purification. You do anti-clockwise movements with your hand. So to know which way, clockwise, anti-clockwise, in the beginning, before you become skillful, you can use watch. So you can put watch face up on your body. So here is clockwise, anti-clockwise will be this way. Generally you don't need watch, but in the beginning you do need watch, so you not make mistake. You can close your eyes and do scooping motions, as if you're scooping ice cream from the bucket. So you do scoop and throw into the fire. Scoop and throw into the fire. Scoop and throw into the fire. Why I am describing it as scooping? Because the energy goes in a funnel. The aura from the shoulder, it's like a funnel, like a bucket. So to collect the energy and remove it from your shoulder, you need to do scooping. Scoop and throw into the fire. You absolutely must do it anti-clockwise. It's how energy works. We have energy centers in our body called chakras, and they rotate clockwise. So to remove energy, to pull out energy from the body, you need to go anti-clockwise, anti-vortex. Okay? So, okay. Put the watch clockwise, anti-clockwise. And I feel as if I'm pulling out something from my shoulder. So how long you need to do that? Until you feel lighter, until pain disappears, or 2 minutes per organ rule. So you can do 2 minutes sweeping and 2 minutes anti-clockwise movements, cleansing. It's called energy cleansing, or removing the energy of illness from your body.